Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Welcome to your new class. This is Ms. Nusrat Fatma. Today I am here to discuss and teach you agriculture. I am your social studies teacher. So, the word agriculture is not new for you. You will have learned about agriculture in your previous classes. So, we will discuss about agriculture. Let's start our lesson. Objectives. In this chapter, we will be able to define agriculture, describe the importance of agriculture, explain the problems of agriculture and suggest their solutions. We will know about the importance of agriculture in Pakistan and in our lives. What is agriculture? As I told you that we have been learned about agriculture in our previous classes. We know agriculture. Do you know what is agriculture? So let's have a brief recall. What is agriculture? Agriculture. This word derived from two Latin words. One is agri, that means soil. Other is culture, that means cultivation. Means the process of soil cultivation is known as agriculture, or we can say that the process of growing crops is agriculture. What do you think? Is a definition is enough? No, the complete definition of agriculture is agriculture includes the cultivation of land and rearing of animals. So we can say the process of growing crops, rearing animals is called agriculture. Agriculture also include dairy and fisheries, beekeeping and so on. What happened to all the crops and animals produced? What do you think? What happened to all the crops and animal produced? Are they useful for us? Okay, so write down the uses of those crops and animals in your notebook and take a picture and upload it in your assignment portion. Have you thought about the farmers in Pakistan that work hard to grow the rice that is important ingredient of biryani? Biryani. Do you like biryani? Yes, this biryani your mother has been cooked recently because Eid al-Adha has passed just now, and we prepared biryani and different type of foods in that occasion. So, can you recall the ingredients that are used in biryani? Yes, the most important ingredient of biryani is rice. Good. So, the farmer also work hard to grow rice. They work hard to grow wheat. Why do they work hard to grow wheat? What is the use of wheat? Yes, we use wheat as flour. We make chapati, we make breads, we make biscuits from wheat. So wheat is very useful for us. Besides this, the farmer also they also grow sugar cane and all crops like pulses and all these things. So the question is, what happens to all the crops and animals produced? I hope you have written the answer in your copy. So let's discuss. They provide us food for the farming families, work animals for the farm, food for the farm animals, food for the other people in Pakistan. Beside this, food to sell to other countries. Then raw material. Another use of crops and animals, they provide raw material for industries in Pakistan that make goods to sell in Pakistan. Raw materials for industries in Pakistan that sell their products to other countries, and raw material for industries in other countries as well. This list shows us how important agriculture is and how important the farming families are to Pakistan. Did you realize before how important agriculture is? So what do you do? Just write down the importance of agriculture. What do you think? Okay. As we know that Pakistan is an agricultural country and the economy of Pakistan is based on agricultural department. and it has been said that agriculture is the backbone of Pakistan. So, what are the factors that affect the economy of Pakistan and how agriculture affects the economy of Pakistan? Let's discuss it. Here are some of the factors of agriculture that help the economy of Pakistan to raise. What are these? Agriculture is a source of food, agriculture is a source of employment, contribution in trade, raw material for industries. Source of employment. What do you think? What is employment? Yes, job. So, what do you think? How the employment affect the economy? Yes, if it provides directly or indirectly employment to the public and the public work hard for their country to give development. Employment directly affect the GDP, gross domestic product of the economy, as well as per the capital income. Source of food. Food is our basic need of our life. We cannot survive without food, and agriculture is the main source of providing food to us, and it provides food, as we have been discussed in previously, that it provides foods to the farming animals, it provides foods to the people of Pakistan, and it provides food to sell to other country. So agriculture play a very important role for providing food to the people of Pakistan as well as exporting food for country development. Contribution in export. What is export? Do you know? Write down the definition of export in your copy. Yes, export. The selling of goods to other country is known as export, and export plays a very important role in the economy of any country or in the development of any country. Agriculture contributes an immense role in the trading system of Pakistan. Pakistan export rice, wheat, cotton to other countries. Besides these, Pakistan also export the cotton goods and the leather goods to other countries. And do you know that the leather goods of Pakistan are very famous all over the world? These exports help Pakistan to earn money. Raw material for industries. Yes, as from the picture you can identify the raw material, and from these raw material the industries make the products and they sell to other countries and the people of Pakistan as well. Like we use school bags, we use bags, purses, we use shoes, sandals. All of these are made from industry. So we can say that industry play a very important role in the development of Pakistan. Cotton, rice and sugarcane are important crops which are used as raw material for industries, and beside this the industries also produce cotton goods. Like, can you tell me some cotton goods? What are the things that we use are made from cotton? List down all those things in your copy. Improvement in agriculture. The government of Pakistan is working hard to provide good quality and good facilities to the agricultural department. It means that the government of Pakistan is showing improvement in agriculture. What is the biggest improvement in agriculture department? Farm mechanization. Now the government of Pakistan is providing machineries to the farmers, and that helps to produce good quality of food and to produce food quickly. How it produce food quickly? Like in olden days when there were no machinery, so people used their hands, and it took so many days for completing one task. But nowadays, with the help of machineries, farmer can do their work very easily and very quickly. The introduction of farm mechanization in agriculture play a very effective role in the development. With the use of modern machineries and techniques in agricultural land cause more and highly production of crop. there are some problems about agriculture in Pakistan. What are the problems? The problems are area, poor quality seeds and animals, waterlogging and salinity, middleman role, transportation, and government is trying hard to solve these problems. Now it's the time of conclusion. What we have learned, I hope all the points are clear. So what we have learned that Pakistan is an agricultural country. Its agricultural economy sector is still backward. Use of modern techniques, basic infrastructure and agricultural research facilities are needed to improve all the problems of agriculture sector. That's enough for today. I hope you get all the points, note down all the points in your copy and upload it in assignment portion. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.